Children, today we will study the phonetic sounds of English alphabets. A. Its sound is A. Airplane, acorn, apple, alligator. B. Its sound is B. Bird, balloon, banana, butterfly, beer. C. Its sound is K. Cow, cat, cake, car, cup, candy. D. Its sound is D. Doll, dolphin, donut, dice, dog, drum. E. Its sounds are A, elephant, egg, eraser, earth, engine. F. Its sound is F. Fish, fox, fire, flag, frog. G. Its sound is G. Gorilla, grapes, goat, guitar. H. Its sound is H. Helicopter, hen, hat, horse, house. I. It has two sounds, I and E. Ice cream, ice cube, igloo, insect, infant. J. Its sound is J. Jam, juice, jelly, jersey. K. Its sound is K. Kangaroo, kingfisher, kitten, key, kite. L. Its sound is L. Loin, leaf, lamb, lobster, ladder. M. Sound of M is M. Mango, monkey, milk, moon, mouse. N. Its sound is N. Nose, nail, net, necklace, nest, nurse. O. Its sound is just like its name, O. Octopus, ostrich, orange, owl, oval. P. Its sound is P. Parrot, penguin, pig, panda, pen. Q. Its sound is again Q. Queen, question mark, quack, quarter. R. Its sound is R. Rabbit, rose, rainbow, rectangle, and rhinoceros. S. It makes two sounds. First one is S. The words which starts with S sound are scissors, snail, and second sound it make when it combines with H. SH makes sound sh. Ship, sheep, shoe. T. It makes sound T. Tiger, tomato, tortoise, tulip, top. U. It again makes two sounds, U and A. Unicorn, utensils, unicycle, and a umbrella, urn. V, it makes sound V, vase, vulture, vegetables, van. W, it makes sound V, watch, watermelon, whale, wolf, wheel. X, has two sounds. One is Z, xylophone, xenops, and other is X, just like its name, X-ray. Y, it makes sound Y, yo-yo, yarn, yard, yak, yinling. Z, its sound is Z, zebra, zucchini, zinnia, zigzag, zero.